This is a question that came from Ted Dodson, who says, you stated that the incarnation of the Dalai Lama might end upon your death. Is this correct? And if so, can you please explain why? I would like to add that I also read that you might come back, you said, as a mischievous blonde woman.
Because of mischievous image.
No.
Actually, you see, why I used to state that. Firstly, you see, some people, mainly I think outside world or West, you see, Dalai Lama Institution is so important for Buddhism, for, Tibetan, because of the
survival of Tibetan Buddhism.
Survival for Tibetan Buddhism. This is not the case. Now, for example, Buddha himself, after his teaching, he passed away. No reincarnation of, well-known reincarnation of Buddha. No Buddha's institution there. No. His teaching is still alive. So, like Dalai Lama institution, about, I think, 14th, 15th century, Dalai Lama institution started. That also, first Dalai Lama, not with institution, good scholar, good practitioner, then his sort of rebirth, clearly demonstrated by that child himself. So very convincing his previous life, first Dalai Lama. So then eventually that institution started. So in certain period this institution started. Now there must be end. So therefore, you see, as early as 69, I think after 10 years we become refugee. I publicly stated, formally, officially, I stated, this very institution of Dalai Lama should continue or not up to Tibetan people. I clearly mentioned that. So I have not much concern about this institution. So now today, Chinese communists more concerned about Dalai Lama's institution than me. So I think because of political reasons, so like that. One way, this living Dalai Lama, they consider demon. But they, at the same time, showing very much concern about the 15th Dalai Lama. So they are quite expert to create a lot of contradictions. Right? So that's my reason. So you see, I think now many of you already know, 2011, I totally retired from political responsibility. Over the last 4 centuries, you see, this sort of practice started, this tradition started. Now, you see, time of democracy, rule of people, rule by people, it's the real future of the world. You see, kings and queens. Recently I was in London. You see, one interview I mentioned, firstly, the world belongs to 7 billion human beings. Then America belongs to 300 millions of American people, not Democratic Party or Republican Party, like that. So in England, I also mentioned, England belongs to English people, not Queen. And Japan also, I expressed that way. Japan's royal family, of course, good, symbol of that nation. But actually, Japan belongs to Japanese people. So therefore, Tibet also belongs to Tibetan people, not the Dalai Lama. So Dalai Lama come and should go. So then I jokingly telling or expressing the end of Dalai Lama institution with quite popular Dalai Lama is much better. Then 15 Dalai Lama come, become disgrace, and that institution and is really disgrace. Right?
Embarrassing.
So much better. After me, many people say, "Oh, nice Dalai Lama, nice Dalai Lama." That's much better. So at lunchtime, I expressed, my dear friend is Bush, is younger than me, so I may go first. So he should carry some of my responsibility continuously. And then meantime, you see, meantime, I'm quite sure he reminds the people who never saw me, he reminds them, oh, 14th Dalai Lama, very nice person, he will say that.
Well, speaking of your shared birthday, we have a little surprise for you after this wonderful conversation, which I greatly thank you for. And would like to ask the crowd, President Mrs. Bush, maybe you can lead us on to all stand and sing Happy Birthday.
계획했는데 통과하기 시작해야 돼.
Oh,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Your Holiness. Happy birthday to you.
thank you. Oh. Thank you. So, now, last few days, you see many people, many occasions, happy birthday, happy birthday. Then I sort of was telling them, actually, new century, new decade, new year, new month, new day. So each day is new day, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So now, you see, each day should use happy day. In order to use happy day, inner value is key factor, not the cake. A lot of anxiety, a lot of worry, a lot of stress. Then big birthday cake will not bring inner peace. So real inner peace, all have the potential, whether educated or uneducated, rich or poor, or this color or that color, believer or non-believer, no differences. We all have same potential. Please realize that. Keep self-confidence, more enthusiasm, optimistic is very, very important sort of factor for happy life. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.